Wyomissing, Boston UCC Church, 1064 Penn Avenue, between Trent Avenue and Belmont Avenue, structure fire. Station 79, Station 85, Tower 79, Ladder 64, Engine 85, Engine 69, Engine 36, Engine 57, 66 for lit, medic 6512, Wyomissing, Boston UCC Church, 1064 Penn Avenue, between Trent Avenue and Belmont Avenue. Structure fire reported to be white smoke coming from the building. Operate on this fire ops 1 after response 1348.